So guys, are you able to see my screen? Hello?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, ठीक, perfect. Okay guys, I have opened the PDF format of what we are going to study in today's lecture. Now first thing is that what we studied in our previous lecture, we must revise that. So we have started with partnership. What is partnership? Form of business. How many books you have in 12th standard? Volume 1, Volume 2 and Volume 3. In Volume 1, 6 chapters are based on partnership. Volume 1 carry around 40 marks. Volume 2 and Volume 3 carry around 40 marks. So this one book is very important, partnership book. So we started chapter number 2, which is fundamentals of partnership. In our last lecture, we tried to understand what partnership is, what is the definition of partnership, definition, what is partnership deed, what are the provisions of Partnership Act 1932. We try to understand all these things. Then we understood what is the difference between profit and loss account, P&L account, and profit and loss appropriation account. Appropriation account. So let me tell you once again, profit and loss appropriation account is prepared after preparing profit and loss account. So what we can say, profit and loss appropriation account is an extension. Please remember this word, is an extension of profit and loss account. And we try to understood that day. I gave you few examples. What does this mean, extension? So in profit and loss, what we get? We get net profit. This net profit, then we net profit we transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Now what is profit and loss appropriation account? Profit and loss appropriation account, that day we studied. We have to remember the format, and there are few items which will come in profit and loss appropriation account. So which items are there in profit and loss appropriation account? Let us discuss that first. See here. For example, this is our profit and loss appropriation account. So what are the items that will come to profit and loss appropriation account? To the debit side, this is debit side and this is credit side. To the debit side, what will come? First item, you have to remember this format, please. First item will be what? Profit and loss account. From profit and loss account, if profit and loss account is giving us loss, that will come here, loss. If profit and loss account is giving us profit, that will come here, profit and loss account, profit. Remember this. Now what are other items which will come to the debit side? If any interest is payable to the partner, so it will come here. For example, to interest on capital. For example, there are two partners, A and B. So interest will come here. What else will come here to the debit side? To salary. If any salary is payable to any partner, salary or what, or commission, if any commission is payable to the partner. And if we are making any reserve for future, so that reserve part will come here. And in the credit side, which all items will come? One will be profit if there is any interest on drawings. If any partner, he has withdrawn drawings from the business and then he is paying interest on that drawing amount, so that will come to the credit side. So this is what it is. So important note that which I have given that day. What is the important note? Except two items were there. One was interest on loan and second was rent. If any rent is payable to partner, remember this is very important. Anything that is payable to partner will come to profit and loss appropriation, except two things. One is interest on loan and second is rent payable to the partner. These two things will not come in profit and loss appropriation. Then what are these two things? They are charge. Charge means what? Charge means items which will go to profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. So how we do is very simple. First we will prepare profit and loss account. After preparing profit and loss account, what if there is a profit, that will go to profit and loss appropriation account here. If there is loss, that will go to debit side of profit and loss appropriation. Why we prepare profit and loss appropriation account? If there is any amount which is payable to partner, that we will not take as charge, means that we will not pay from the profit and loss account. Rather, we will transfer the profit to profit and loss appropriation account, and from here we will do all the appropriations. And whatever will be the balance, see for example, we have a profit of 5 lakh and we paid, if there is anything payable like interest, we paid interest to both the partners, we paid salary, we paid commission, we kept some amount in reserves. If still there is balance, that will be distributed to the partners. In which ratio? PSR ratio. PSR ratio means profit sharing ratio. That is how it is. Now, this is up till here we had studied the other day. Now, let us carry on. Next. Okay, guys. Next thing is rent paid to partner. How we will treat rent paid to partner? First thing that should come in your mind, it is a charge. Because I just now, sometime back and other day also I told you, rent paid to partner is a charge. Like interest on loan. If partner has given loan to the business and now business or partnership firm is giving him some interest to the partner, that will not be appropriation, that will be charge. So like interest on loan is charge, same way interest paid to partner, rent paid to partner is also a charge. So please remember these two things, beta. For 1 number or 2 marks, question comes in the exam. And if you remember the differences that day we studied, there were examples also. These two items will go to profit and loss account and not to profit and loss appropriation. Is a charge against the profit. And not an appropriation of profit. Please remember. Now let us solve illustration, and then we will see today what we are going to study. What we are going to study today on 20th of April 2020. Time 5:30 almost. What we are going to study? We are going to study and we are going to understand the concept of profit and loss appropriation account. This is what we should understand today. This topic we should understand today very thoroughly. So profit and loss appropriation account is prepared after profit and loss account. Next, let's see. With this illustration, we will try to get better clarity. A and B are partners. Okay. How to solve? A and B are partners. Sharing profits equally means profit sharing ratio equal means देखो बेटा, 1 चपाती इज देयर, इक्वल मीन्स आधा इसको मिलेगा और आधा इसको मिलेगा, एक हिस्सा इसको एक हिस्सा इसको, तो एक कितने का टोटल? 2 का टोटल, 2 का टोटल मीन्स आधा इसको मिल गया और आधा इसको मिलेगा, 1/2. सो वी कैन से 1:1. ओके, सो आई कैन से प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो इज 1:1. ठीक है, इतना भी समझ में आ गया. वी अंडरस्टूड अप टिल हियर. नाउ बिजनेस इज बीइंग कैरिड फ्रॉम प्रॉपर्टी ओन्ड बाय ए. See, there is certain property or the factory, whatever, or premises. This is owned by A. मतलब A is the owner of this business. Which property? Where A and B together they are doing the business. ठीक है. On a yearly rent of 40,000. See, A's property is there. On that property, A and B together they are doing business. That property is owned by A. Business is paying him rent. Whom? To A. Rent of 40,000. What? Yearly rent. Remember this. Yearly rent is paid to A. ठीक है. So rent will go to whom? We will write here. Rent will go to A. How much? 40,000 rupees. B is getting any rent? No, B is not getting any rent. A is also to get a salary of 1 lakh rupees per annum. See, A will also get salary. So we will make a note of it. These are all working notes. Salary. How much? 1 lakh rupees. Is B getting any salary? No, B is not getting any salary. Further. And B is to get a commission of 10% on sales. ठीक है. So B is other partner. वो क्या है? He is, for example, involved into sales, and because of B, sales is too high. And now, A and B, both of them, they decided, what, B, you will get a commission on sales. ठीक है. He is getting commission. So who is getting commission? Commission. A is not getting commission. B is getting commission. What is the commission? 10%. 10% of B is to get 10% on sales, which during the year is 40 lakh. Means 10% of 40 lakhs. So 10% of 40 lakhs will be around 4 lakh rupees. Sorry, one moment. Let me write it properly. 4 lakh rupees. Perfect. Profit for the year 31st March 2020. See, the dates which I have given in the questions would be as per your exams. So you will be giving exam when? In the month of March year 2020. So I have made questions accordingly for current year. So profit is how much? Profit is 8 lakhs. Perfect. Now, what is he saying? Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. This is the question. If a question will come like this, it will be for 3 or 4 marks. ठीक है. अब बोलता है कि आप एक प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट बनाइए. We have all the information with us. Let's prepare a profit and loss appropriation account. Now, where we'll do that? Okay. Can we do? I'll just rub it once. We'll prepare here only profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, guys. So see here, profit and loss appropriation account. You will prepare like this. Then down you will write what? Period you have to mention always. So we will mention for the year ended 31st March. Which year? Where is the question? Profit for the year ended 30 is this. Prepare profit and loss appropriation. See, it is mentioned here. For the year ended 31st March. 31st March 2020. Now, what is the format of profit and loss appropriation? Like this. In this center, there will be two lines. They are called as partition lines. One amount will be here. This is your credit side and this is your debit side. Okay, guys. First thing, how much profit we have in hand? We have 8 lakh rupees profit and loss. Profit for the year ended 31st March 2020 before providing for the rent. See, try to understand. In the year and 31st March 2000, देखो बेटा 31st March 2020 को जो हमारा प्रॉफिट हुआ, he is saying 8 lakh rupees का हुआ, 8 lakhs का हुआ. But what he is saying, profit for the year ended 31st March 2020. This is important. Please note this. Okay, please note this. Before providing for the rent. Now see in this question, tell me something. We studied here, rent is charge. So the amount of rent is how much? Yearly rent of 40,000. Yearly rent is 40,000. So 40,000 we should have actually deducted 40,000 rupees from profit and loss account. And what has happened? Profit for the year 31st March, जो हमारा profit and P&L का जो profit है, our profit and loss account का profit is 8 lakh rupees. If you remember, I had explained you that day. 8 lakh is showing profit, but we forgot to deduct something. Rent we have not deducted. So rent we have not deducted. Rent is how much? Rent is 40,000 rupees. So if our profit is 8 lakh here, this includes rent also that we should have paid and that we should have charged in profit and loss account. We forgot to do it. So what we will do, our profit is not 8 lakh. We must deduct less rent which we should have paid. How much? 40,000 rupees. 40. 40,000 rupees. So actual our rent is how much? 7 lakh. Sorry, our profit is how much? 7 lakh 60,000 rupees. So here, so this profit will go where? To the profit and loss appropriation account. So in our profit and loss appropriation account, how much profit will come? Profit will come only 7 lakh 60,000 because we forgot to deduct rent from the profit and loss account. So we will take by, from where this profit is coming? It is coming from by profit and loss account. Either how you will do in the exam, you write here in the bracket. How? You will write 8 lakh less how much? Rent 40,000. Actual profit should have been 7 lakh and 60,000 only. Now we know the true profit figure, and now we will do some appropriations here. Appropriation account. So appropriation क्या है? Appropriation is the profit you have and how you will distribute that profit among the partners under various heads. We have all the heads. So partners are getting what? We will see. Business carried on capit yearly rent. A on yearly rent 40,000. तो A को rent मिलेगा 40,000 rupees. So how we will do? Try, just focus here बेटा. I will show you. To किसको मिलेगा? A को मिलेगा. A, when A will get the money, any money that we will transfer to his capital account. So we will mention to A's capital account. How much money will go to his capital account? Rent. I am very sorry. Rent is already deducted. Rent we have already deducted in the profit and loss account. So rent will not go there. This will go there. Salary. We will pay to him salary. In profit and loss appropriation, we take salary. So A also is supposed to get salary of 1 lakh rupees. So A is capital account. Which item we will put here? Salary. So now we will pay him salary here. Salary is how much? 1 lakh. Further, and B is to get a commission of 10% on sales. See, commission is an item of profit and loss appropriation account. So we will pay him. To whom? To B. So when we will pay him, where that money will go? That money will go to his capital account. So we will write to, sorry, to, yeah, right, to B's capital account. What we are paying to his capital account? We are paying to his capital account commission. Commission pay कर रहे. कितना है commission? 10% on sales. Now sales is how much? During the year 40 lakh rupees. 40 lakh का 10% is how much beta? 4 lakh rupees. So we will pay him 4 lakh rupees commission. Okay. Next. Profit for the year ended. Guys, 1 minute, please. Hello. Yeah, speaking. Can you please give me a call after 8 o'clock? I'm in a class now, please. Okay, thank you. तो देखेंगे बेटा. तो हमने क्या क्या किया? Owned by A, rent we have taken 40,000 deducted from here, rent. Then salary is an appropriation. We took it to the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Commission is an appropriation. We took it to the debit side of profit and loss appropriation during the year 4 lakh rupees. Profit for the year before providing is 8 lakh rupees. Done. Our problem is solved. So total we will see here now, both the sides, debit and credit side. Beta, debit side total is 4 lakh and 5 lakh rupees. And credit side total is how much? 7 lakh 60,000. So we will take which amount? The greater one. So 7 lakh 60,000 rupees. 7 lakh 60,000 rupees. And so out of 7 lakh 60,000 rupees, we deducted capital, salary and commission, 4 lakh and 5 lakh. So balance is how much? 2 lakh 60,000 rupees. So this 2 lakh 60,000 rupees will go to whom? To both the partners. This is the final profit that will be distributed among the partners. So how we can write in our exam? We will write like this: to profit transferred to, कहाँ ट्रांसफर करोगे? कैपिटल अकाउंट में. किसका कैपिटल अकाउंट में? ए एंड बी. टू एज कैपिटल अकाउंट, टू बीज कैपिटल अकाउंट. दोनों का कैपिटल अकाउंट में जाएगा पैसा. 2,60,000 टोटल. लेकिन कैपिटल अकाउंट में इन विच रेशियो यू विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट अमंग बोथ द पार्टनर्स? सी, दे आर इक्वल पार्टनर्स हियर. They are equal partners. So this final profit you will distribute among them equally. So how will you distribute? You will distribute as 1.3 lakh to A and 1.3 lakh to B. In your final exam, please do not write figures like this, 1.23 lakh and 1.3 lakh like this. You have to mention, because I don't have writing pad. Because when we started online classes, it was almost everything was closed. So we do not have, necessary, equipments with us. So I am using mouse and I am writing. So please, excuse me for that. So guys, this is how we will prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Now, what is profit and loss appropriation account? Important 2-3 points I will explain you again. And then you please try to remember, make notes somewhere. Whatever amount will be paid to the partners will go to profit and loss appropriation account. Please remember, except two things. First, interest on loan by a partner. If any partner has given loan to the firm and now we are paying him the interest, that is not an appropriation, that is a charge. It will go to profit and loss account. सेकेंड, रेंट पेड टू अ पार्टनर. अगर कोई पार्टनर का रेंट है, हम उसका कोई ऑफिस, इफ वी आर यूजिंग हिज प्रीमाइसेस फॉर अवर बिजनेस एंड वी आर पेइंग हिम रेंट, that is not an appropriation account. It will not go to appropriation account. That is a charge. Now, that is point number 1. Point number 2 is, first you will prepare profit and loss account and then profit and loss appropriation account. So we can say profit and loss appropriation account is an extension of profit and loss account. Point number 2. Point number 3 for profit and loss appropriation account is that the best way is you please remember the format of profit and loss appropriation account. There are very few items they are coming to profit and loss appropriation account. You please try to memorize those things, those 5. And this is the format. Almost all those items are here, except general reserve. If we'll add reserve here, so this is complete profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. Now, in this illustration, what we try to understand? We try to understand in this question. I'll explain once again. Then we'll go to next illustration. This question is very simple. In this question, A and B are partners. A and B are partners. What happened? They made a profit of 8 lakhs. ठीक है. And then they realized we made profit of 8 lakhs, but we did not deduct rent, because rent should have been deducted in profit and loss account itself. From profit and loss account, they got a profit of 8 lakh rupees, but then they realized rent they forgot to deduct. If they would have deducted this rent of 40,000 rupees, profit which should have carried forward to P&L appropriation would have been reduced by 40,000. That's why we deducted that 40,000 rupees from here. So out of total profit of 8 lakh rupees, we deducted 40,000. So profit available for appropriation is 7 lakh 60,000. And then we did the appropriations. In the appropriations, partner A is eligible for salary. We paid him 1 lakh rupees salary here. Partner B is eligible for commission 10% on sales. So sales is 40 lakh, 10% would be, you just cut 10 from back, 4 lakh rupees. We paid him 4 lakh rupees. We did all the appropriations. There is no appropriation now pending. So we will see total profit which we had for appropriations 7 lakh 60,000. Out of this we paid 5 lakh rupees. Still we have 2 lakh 60,000 in hand with the firm. This 2 lakh 60,000 will be paid between both the partners A and B. In which ratio? Always remember beta, profit sharing ratio, or as it would be mentioned in the question. So we will pay in profit sharing ratio. So this is our profit and loss appropriation account. Let's go to illustration number 2. Just wanted to check, guys, are you understanding what I am teaching to you?
Yes, sir.
Everybody is perfect, na? Girls? Okay,
Yes, sir.
ठीक. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. Okay, ठीक. We'll go to next question now. Let's see this one. Today we will solve all the questions on profit and loss appropriation. I will give you one question for homework. You please try that and send it to me through WhatsApp. Take a picture of your solution, send it to me through WhatsApp. Perfectly fine. आज के दिन profit and loss appropriation अच्छे से समझ लेना. See guys, A है एक partner और N है एक partner. Both the partners A and N started their business on 1st April 2019 with capital of 4 lakh and 2 lakh respectively. Now what we understand, A and 2 partners, A का 4 lakh capital और N का 2 lakh capital, perfectly fine. According to the partnership deed, see, partnership deed is here. I have told you what is partnership deed? Very important question. In the exam, they might ask you, what is partnership? Very simple, beta. Agreement in a written form is called partnership deed. For 1 mark ka question, you have to give only 1 line answer. For 1 mark question, please do not write 3 pages. You won't get 2 marks also. So partnership deed पूछेगा. Written agreement is called as partnership deed. Can we make partnership in oral form? Yes, we can make. So then why is it advisable to make partnership deed in written form? To avoid future disputes. Very specific answers you have to give. देखो बेटा, partnership deed, what is partnership deed saying? Partnership deed says N is to get a salary of 6,000. See, this is important. Please notice, in some questions they will say year, some questions they will say month. Whenever month is said, you have to always multiply by 12 because in a year there are 12 months. Now N will get salary of 6,000 per month. So when N will get salary of 6,000 per month, how much it will come? 12 6 72,000 rupees. A is getting any salary? No. And to get salary of 6,000 per month, A is to get 10% commission on profit. देखो, A will get, this is salary, and will get salary. Try to understand better. This is very good question. Now, A will get what? Commission. ठीक है. A को commission मिलेगा, N को commission नहीं मिल रहा. A will get the commission. See here. A is to get 10% commission on profit after allowing, see, this is very important. Notice this part, guys. After allowing salary to N. A is to get 10% commission. A को समझो यहाँ पे, A को commission 10% मिलेगा. A will get 10% commission. But when? Which amount? After allowing salary to N. For example, you try to understand. I will give you first very basic, example to you, and then you will go to the question. For example, 10% of is, for example, 1 lakh rupees. So A will get 10% commission. 10% commission, for example, is 1 lakh rupees. So A will get 1 lakh rupees. Perfectly fine. But what is he saying? But what is he saying? He is saying after allowing salary. So means, for example, salary was how much? 72. N ka salary here, guys, see 72,000. So once you first pay 72,000 salary, so we'll deduct 72,000 from this. And then balance is how much? 28,000. So he will get commission only 28,000 rupees. That is what it means. I'll explain once again, guys. At the end of the lecture, you can tell me if you have any doubts, or in between also you can tell me, no issues. So once again, we'll read the question and try to understand. Two partners, A and they started business, perfectly fine. Their capital, and A ka 4 lakh rupees and N ka 2 lakh rupees, perfectly fine. Now focus here. According to partnership deed, see, it is mentioned in the partnership deed. They have agreed to everything. N is to get a salary of 6,000 rupees per month. Now N here. This is capital 4 lakh, 2 lakh. Salary will go to N. How much? 6,000 rupees per month. So for 12 months, it will go 72,000. Fine. A is to get 10% commission on profit. Now A will get commission. Commission of what? Profit पे commission मिलेगा उसको. Perfectly fine. But when? After allowing salary to N. So first you will pay salary to N from his commission. Let's see. And interest to be allowed on capitals. Profit sharing ratio is this: during the year firm earned a profit. See here, this line. Firm earned a profit of 3 lakh rupees. So profit is how much? 3 lakh rupees. Okay. Now, commission, A is to get the commission 10%. So 10% of 3 lakh rupees will be how much? We'll cut 10. So commission will be 10% of 3 lakh. That will be 30,000 rupees. %6. Profit sharing ratio between, during the year the firm earned net, sorry, that is on sales, sir. Sales figure is given in the question. That is on sales. What is the sales amount? Sales is not given in the question. A and N started business, 4 lakh and 2 lakh. According to partnership, N is to get salary of 6,000 rupees per month. Okay. A is to get 10% commission on profit. A is to get 10% commission on profit after allowing salary to N. There is something wrong in the question, it seems. Interest is to be allowed on capital 6%. Profit sharing ratio between 3:2. During the year, the firm earned profit of 3 lakh rupees. Okay. Guys, one small thing which I want to tell you is this line. See, A is to get 10% commission on profit after allowing salary to earn. Please note this. This is very important. After allowing salary to earn. So profit is here. We'll do like this. Profit is how much? 3 lakhs. And salary to earn is how much? 72,000 rupees. Guys, please be silent, please. So balance amount is how much? 2,28,000 rupees. So he will get 10% of 2,28,000 rupees. I'll explain once again. We'll see this question once again, guys. Check out here. A and N are partners. Capitals four lakhs and 2 lakhs. According to partnership deed, N is to get a salary. See, salary, who will get? N will get salary 6,000 per month. So it will be 6,000 into 12. So that will be, he will get 72,000 salary. Right. A is to get 10% commission. See now, commission. Commission who will get? A, not N. N will not get commission. A will get commission. Please try to understand better this. 10% commission on profit. So we know net profit earned is 3 lakh. तो 10% मिलेगा किसका? प्रॉफिट का. तो मीन्स 3 लाख का मिलेगा. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. 10% of 10%. We'll see, take like this. 10% किसका? प्रॉफिट का. प्रॉफिट कितना है? 3 लाख रुपीस. On profit after allowing salary to earn. Salary ends after paying N salary. Whatever profit is there, on that he will get 10%. He is trying to say that. So profit to N is how much? 72,000. So profit 3 lakh rupees, but A will get commission 10% on profit 3 lakh rupees, but from profit after allowing salary to N. So out of profit 3 lakh rupees, you have to deduct whatever salary is payable to N. So salary payable to N is 72,000. So remaining balance, on that he will get 10%. So he will get 10% of 2,28,000 rupees. That is, he will get 22,800 rupees. Please note this. Important. Other things are very simple. A is to get 10% commission on profit after allowing salary to N. Done. And interest is to be allowed on capital 6%. See, interest is also allowed to both of them 6%. So we will take here interest. Simple है बेटा. How much? 6% interest. Always remember on capitals. तो capital कितना बेटा? A का कितना 4 lakh है ना 6%. If 6% is there ना बेटा, very you should try to use some shortcuts also. We know 4 lakhs का, this is 4 lakh का, अगर we have to calculate 10%, we will cut 1 0. See, if we'll cut 1 0, it will be 10%. If we cut 2 zeros, it will be 1%. If 400 is 1%, then 6% will be how much? Into 6, 6 4s are 24. 2400. Interest is to allowed on capitals. तो दोनों का interest भी मिलेगा, इसका भी मिलेगा 2 lakh rupees. Let's see now for N. N's capital is 2 lakh rupees. Again, we have to calculate 6%. For example, if we have to calculate 10%, we'll cut 1 0, 10%. So for 1%, we cut 2 zeros. So 1% is how much? This is how. Guys, I am very sorry. There is some typo error. Here we have to correct. This is not. This is 40,000. In fact, this is 0. Now this is 4 lakh. So 4 lakh का 2% plus 24,000 rupees. 24,000 rupees. There is typo error. While typing, 1 0 is missing here in this amount. So it is only 40,000, not 4 lakh. So 24,000 will be 6%. And here 2 lakh ka 6% will be 12,000 rupees. So we will pay them interest on capital also. So means A will get 24,000 and N will get 12,000 rupees. Total 36,000 rupees. So $24,000 and $12,000. So this all we have to, of this amount we have to make profit and loss appropriation. Let's see how we will make the profit and loss appropriation. Let us understand it. We have this page now. How we will solve? We will write. You have to follow same practice. Profit and loss appropriation account. Then for the year ended 31st March, you have to see the question. When did they started business? 1st April 2019. If they started business on 1st April 2019, when year will get over? 31st March 2020. So you will make for 31st March 2020. 31st March 2020. Okay, guys. In profit and loss appropriation account, first thing, what we will take? Profit, net profit. Net profit always comes from where? Profit and loss account. So what will you write? Like in the previous question, like this, profit and loss account. So we'll go here. Yes, we will make our, अरे यार बहुत ही टेढ़ा हो रहा है. ये क्या हो गया? ओके, ठीक है। ये हमारा पार्टीशन लाइन, this is our debit side amount and this is our credit side amount. This is debit, this is credit. So from the question, we will transfer first the profit. Profit is how much? 3 lakh rupees. So we will take 3 lakh rupees. How? By net profit, or sorry, by profit and loss account. You are transferring from P&L account. So P&L account, or you can mention in bracket if you want, net profit. How much amount? 3 lakh rupees. Perfectly fine. 3 lakh rupees. Now this 3 lakh rupees we have to distribute among partners. How we will distribute? We made a small table here. Salary here we are paying to N. How much? 72,000 rupees. So when we are paying to N salary, that salary amount will go to his capital account. So we will write to is capital account. In bracket you can mention salary. How much salary? 72,000 rupees. Here we have salary. Done. We will take here 72,000. Next, what we have to pay? We have made the notes. Commission. We have to pay commission to whom? Sorry, this is not A, this is N. Salary is paid to N, not to A. To N salary. Then what we have to pay? Commission. To whom? To A. How much? 22,800. We have done the calculation. So we will write as to A's commission. Sorry, not commission. Again here. A's capital. To A's capital account. We will transfer the money to his capital account. Forward commission. How much amount was there for commission? 22,800. $22,800. Next, guys, what we have done here? Interest on capital also we have to pay them. Appropriation. Interest on capital also we will pay them. So we will make like to N's capital interest on capital to A's capital. You should always mention account. A's capital account. What? He will also get interest on capital. Interest on capital. So his interest on capital, if you remember correctly, is 24,000 rupees. And A's interest on capital is, sorry, A and N. A's interest on capital is 24. N's is 12,000 and A's interest on capital is 24,000 from here. A's interest on capital is 24 and N's interest on capital is 12,000. So we transfer that also. Now, nothing is left. We did all the appropriations. So total is how much? This credit side is looking more. How much? 3 lakh rupees. ₹3 lakh. And this total is coming how much? 1,30,800. This total is 1,30,800. So if we deduct 1,30,800 from 3 lakhs, our answer will come how much? 1,69,200. So this is the final profit with us, with the partnership firm. So this 1,69,200 we will distribute among both the partners in their which ratio? Profit sharing ratio. So we will write like we did. Remember the previous question. See here, I will show you. To profit transfer to like this. To profit in the previous question we distributed 1,30,000 like same way. To profit transfer to here. See here. So this is your final profit. To profit transferred to whose capital account? A's capital account and N's. A's capital account and N's capital account. So we will distribute among both of them. How we will distribute? 1,69,000. See here. What is their profit sharing ratio? If you see here in the question, profit sharing ratio between the two partners is 3:2. Okay, perfectly fine. So 3:2 the profit sharing ratio. So we have to distribute 1,69,200 among, this is the balance which we have, among A and N. In which ratio? Profit sharing ratio, and profit sharing ratio is 3:2. ठीक है, अभी देखते हैं 1,60,000. Always guys, I will give you the best way of doing things. So always take this amount 1,69,000, whatever amount is there in your answer, take that amount. Always multiply by, always please multiply by 1, and denominator you always take total. So 3 plus 2 is 5. And then do the simplification. So if you will divide by 5, how much it will come? 3,3,8,4,0. So 33,840 is for one share is this amount. So for 3 share, how much? For 1, 33,840. So for 3 it will be 33,840 into, for 3 shares into 3. और 1 के लिए 33,840 है. 33,840 is for 1 share. and here N has 2 shares. So how much? Into 2. So do the calculation. So it will come how much? 1,01,520. And if you will do into 2, it will come how much? 67,680. तो बैलेंस जो प्रॉफिट था, द बैलेंस प्रॉफिट 1,69,200 we will distribute among A and among A and B. In which ratio? 3:2 ratio. So when you will do solution, always take this total amount, always multiply by 1, and denominator you take total of this. In this case it is 3 plus 2 5. So we have taken 5. If this would have been 4:7, so we would have taken denominator 11. So in this case total of their total is 2 plus 3 5. So when we simplify for one share, see, I will try to make you understand like this. For example, one chapati is there. In this there are 3 share of this chapati A will get and 2 share of this chapati N will get. So we'll have to make how many shares? 5 shares. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This total chapati will make 5 shares of this chapati. Same way, total is 1,69,250. So for one share, the value is how much? 33. We calculated here 33,840. So 33,840. For one share, if the value is 33,840, A has to get 3 shares. So 1, 2, 3. This much share A has. So for one share, if he is getting 33,840, for 3 shares, how much he will get? We multiplied by 3. This value will get. And B has 2 shares. This and this. So for one share, 33,844. So for 2 shares, he will get how much? We multiplied by 2. So we got this answer. So to their capital accounts, how much amount will go? 1,01,520 and 67,680, and that total is coming how much? 1,69,200. So we have solved this illustration also. So what we are studying? We are studying profit and loss appropriation account. So we are studying profit and loss appropriation account. Next question we will solve. Okay guys, so we did one illustration, we did second illustration also. This illustration is what? X and Y started business on 1st April with capital 10 lakh each. So दोनों का 10 lakh capital है. As per the partnership deed. Okay, what partnership deed says? X and Y are to get monthly salary. See, both of them, they will get monthly salary 15,000. So it is given here monthly salary. So you will calculate that yearly basis. So for if 1 month 15,000 is there, so for 1 year it will be 1,80,000. So both will get 1,80,000. Interest on capital is 10%. So capital is 10 lakh. So 10% I have told you, you will cut 1. So it will come 1 lakh rupees. Drawings during the year were X 80,000 and Y 1,10,000 rupees. So they have withdrawn drawings also. Drawings, you know what is drawing? Drawing for personal use. See, partner, there are 2 partners A and B. B withdraw money from the business for paying his daughter's college fees. This is a drawing because daughter's college fees has nothing to do with the business. Okay, so you will take that as drawings. Okay, तो वो drawings होता है. Drawings during the year दोनों का drawings भी 80,000 and 1,10,000. And interest on drawing is charged. See, interest on drawing is charged 10% per annum. So it is saying during the year, the firm incurred a loss and the firm has made a loss of 1,50,000. There is no profit. There is a loss. So this question you try as homework, do brainstorming, and today what time our lecture will get over? Say at 7. Whatever time our lecture will get over, after that within 1 hour you have to send me this question solved. You have to solve it on your notebook, loose leaves, wherever you want to solve it. Take a picture and send it to me on my WhatsApp number. Okay. So whatever you can solve, how much do it. Okay. So this you can do. I'm very sure. Let's see next question. Okay, guys, see, we will solve now this question. So today we have completed profit and loss appropriation account. So we will try to solve this question and then tomorrow we will go to next, next topic, that is types of profit and loss account. Not profit and loss account, partners capital account. See here, guys. This is CBSE board question and it is saying Arun and Aurora were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3. Okay, let's see here. Arun, Aurora. Now, what is their profit sharing ratio? See here. Profit sharing ratio is 5:3. So 5:3 is their profit sharing ratio. Now next, what other information is given to us? Their fixed capitals. Okay, their capitals are there on 1st April 2010 were how much? Arun 60,000 and Aurora 80,000. See guys here. Capitals. Arun is 60,000 and Aurora is 80,000 rupees. They agreed to allow interest on capital. See, they will get interest on capital also. How much? 12% per annum. So 12% interest on capital they will get. Let's calculate for Arun and Aurora. So Arun's interest on capital is how much? Arun's capital is how much? 60,000. How much interest? 12%. 12 by 100. So we will cut these two zeros. So it will be 600 into 12. 600 into 12 will give you how much? 7,200. So he will get how much interest? 7,200. Perfectly fine. Let's calculate for Aurora also. Aurora's capital is 80,000. On his capital, he will also get interest. How much? Same, 12% upon 100. So 800 into how much? 12. So 800 into 12 will give us how much? 9,600. So he will get 9,600. Done. And to charge on drawings 15% per annum. See, when a partner, see for example, he is Arun and he is Aurora. Both of them, they withdrew money from business. Drawings. Drawings is what? When you withdraw money from the business, that is called drawings. So when you withdraw money from the business, you can be charged interest on that, because otherwise if you take loan from bank, you have to pay the interest. So if partnership deed, if it is mentioned, agreed between the partners, there is interest on drawings, you have to pay. So in this case, what is happened is around 60, they agreed, see, they have agreed. So it is, they have agreed to allow interest on capital and charge interest on drawings 10%. So what is the drawing there? What their drawings? Profit for the firm for the year before adjustments. Drawings here. Drawings made by Arun were, this is WERE, were 2000 and Aurora 4000 during the year. So their drawings were how much? 2000 and 4000. So for 2000 and 4000, we will have to calculate interest. See here, guys. This is very important point. Please, everybody focus on this. So interest on drawing. See, guys. When we calculated for capital, we did simple calculation. What we did? Amount of capital into rate of interest and done. We got the answer. But in case of drawing, please be little careful. See, we will calculate first for Arun. What is his drawing? 2000 rupees. So 2000 rupees. What is the rate of interest? 15. So 15 upon 100. Now tell me something. I will take one example here. This is 31st March 2020. And this is 1st April 2019. What we are saying, try to understand, guys, please focus here now. Interest on drawings, very important. So this often come in the exam, a question with this adjustment, this one. See, we know Arun's drawings are 2000. We know interest is 15% per annum. But tell me something. When Arun has made the drawings, is it in the month of April, or in the month of May, or in the month of June, or in the month of July, or in the month of August, or in the month of September, October, November, December, January, February, या March? अरे भाई, when he has withdrawn the money, is that given in the question? That is not given in the question. Question is silent on that. So 15% interest you will charge, perfectly fine. But for how many months? For example, if he has withdrawn money here, beginning of the at the beginning of the 1st April itself, 2000 rupees. Then he has used this 2000 rupees drawing for entire year, for 12 months. But what about a case where he has withdrawn money in the month of January? Yes, guys? Okay. In a case, if he has withdrawn money in the month of January, so will you charge him interest for entire year? No. So in this case, whenever question is silent, remember this beta, whenever it is not mentioned in the question, when the partner has withdrawn the money or question is silent about the date of drawings, we will take calculation for 6 months. Always remember that. for 6 months. So in this case, we will calculate for 6 months. Means 6 upon how many months are in a year? 12. Like this. 6 upon 12. So please remember this. Okay. So 6 upon 12. So we can do the calculation now. 6 ones are 6, 2s are 12. We will cut this 0, cut this 0, cut this 0, cut this 0. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and this 0 will go here. 10 into 15, 150. So he will pay us interest 150 rupees. And other guy is Aurora. For Aurora also. See guys. What are the drawings of Aurora? How much money he has withdrawn from the business? 4,000 rupees. And he has to pay interest on drawings 15%. 15%. So we will calculate his interest also. Rate of interest 15 upon 100. And for how many months? It is not clear. So if the question is silent about the period, we will always take 6 months. 6 upon 12. My mistake. It is not 15,000. It is 4,000 rupees. Or you can simply do, if for 2,000 it is 150, for 4,000 it will be 300. Double. So total is 450 interest. So for Arun 150 and for Aurora 300. This is how it is done. Now we have to solve the question. Let's read the question once again. This is important question. Arun and Aurora were partners in a firm sharing profits 5:3. Their fixed capitals were 60,000 and 80,000. See, this fixed capital thing now, let me tell you, there are two types of capitals accounts which we can maintain. One is fixed and another is fluctuating. This thing I will teach you tomorrow. This topic we are going to cover tomorrow. So let's not get into this right now. Okay. So we will do this tomorrow. So capitals are fixed on 1st April. Arun's capital 60,000, Aurora 80,000. They agreed to allow interest on capital. Now see, they will get interest on capital. We have calculated that. They will get interest on capital. 12% and charge, and on drawings also company will charge them 15%. Profit for the firm for the year ended 31st March 2011 before all above adjustments. See, this is very, very important. This one, this part. Profit जो है, profit of the firm before all adjustments. See, all adjustment means we have not taken interest on capital in the calculation. We have not taken interest on drawings also in the calculation. So 31st March before all above adjustments was 12,600. So profit is 12,000. How much? 600 rupees. Further, drawings made by Arun. What are the drawings made by Arun? Drawings made by Arun are, where is it? Drawings made by Arun were 2000 rupees and by Aurora 4000 rupees during the year. Prepare a profit and loss appropriation account. Now we calculated what? Interest on drawings for 6 months is how much? 150 rupees and 300 rupees. Interest on capital that the partners they will have to get is how much? 7,200 and 9,600. So interest on drawings total is how much? 450 rupees. This will be in our profit and loss appropriation credit side. Let's prepare a profit and loss appropriation. Try to understand this and please try to solve at home. In profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March, whatever. Always remember guys, this side will always come what? Profit. From profit and loss account. Profit. And if you remember the format of profit and loss appropriation, interest on drawings always come to this side because that is income to the firm. So whatever is income means plus for the betterment of the firm, where the money will come, that will come in the credit side. And what all firm has to pay, that will come to the debit side. That will come to the debit side. Now, the firm has a profit of how much? Is there any profit? Profit is 12,600. See here, this is important line. Firm has profit of 12,600. Okay. So profit is, for example, I will take here 12,600 is the profit. Okay. But firm has to pay interest of how much? Interest on capital 7,200 and 9,600. So 7,200 and 9,600 would be how much? We'll take here see here 16,800. We have to pay interest this much 16,800. See here 16,800. We have to pay interest on capital. This is what we have to pay. And profit we have only how much? 12,600. Means what? We have to pay more and we have profit less. For example, we will if we will add drawings also, drawings, how interest on drawings that we will get, that is how much? 450 rupees. So if we will add interest also to our profit, which we will get from the partners on as interest on drawings, 450. So total becomes how much? 13,050 rupees. But we have to pay interest on capital. See this line probably. Prepare profit and loss appropriation. Show calculations in, see here, this one. Interest on capital will be allowed even if firm incur losses. This is very important. So when this point will be given in the question, where it is clearly saying interest on capital will be allowed even if, see this is very important because we know interest on capital is an appropriation. So if we have profit, we will pay. If we do not have, we will not pay. But in this question, what it is saying, it's very clear. Interest on capital will be allowed. देना ही पड़ेगा. They have agreed to it. Interest on capital will be allowed even if firm incurs a loss. अगर फर्म लॉस भी करता है तब भी आपको देना पड़ेगा. सो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में अभी क्या आएगा आपका? सी टू profit and loss account. So what you have in hand, you have how much? 12,600 profit, but compulsorily you have to pay how much? 16,800 to the partners. Means what? There is a loss. If we'll deduct 12,600 from 16,800, how much amount will come? 4,200 is the loss. This is the loss that partners have to share. Like in previous questions, see guys here. Like in previous questions, there was profit, so they shared. In this question, there is a loss which they have to share. So 4,200 is total here, negative balance, but net profit amount we will not take here now. Not required because we have taken already here net profit 12,600 deducted. So we will not take here. But interest on drawing is how much? 150 and 300 rupees we have in hand. So this 450 will be deducted. So total is how much? 4,200, and this 4,200 total will come here. So out of 4,000 if you will deduct 450 out of 4,200, what will be your answer? 3,750. So in this question we got loss. So here we will write by net loss transferred. Here we will give them loss to Arun and to Aurora. In which ratio? In their profit sharing ratio. So what is their profit sharing ratio? 5:3. 5:3 is their profit sharing ratio. So we will distribute here. Same thing again we will do. 3,750 is the loss which we have to distribute among both of them. So how we will do? 3,750, this calculation will be into 1 by, what is the ratio? Their ratio is 5:3, 8. 1 by 8. So when you will simplify this with 8, what answer you will get? You will get 468.75. Now this 4, this is 1, and Arun's share is how much? 5, and his share is 3 ratio. So 468.5, if you will multiply by 5 shares, what answer you will get? 2, 3, 3, sorry, 2, 3, 4, 4. And if you will multiply 468.5 with this guy, his share, Aurora's share 3. So what answer you will get? 1406. So pay them. 2344 and 1406. Total is how much? 5573. 3750. This is the loss which we made. This question, I will explain this question once again. Guys, if you are able to solve this question, then the homework question will be very easy. Let me explain to you once more this question. Aurora and Arun partners हैं. Both of them, they are partners. Profit sharing ratio is 5:3. Arun's capital is 60,000 and Aurora's capital 80,000 rupees. ठीक है, उन्होंने क्या agree किया? They agreed to allow interest on capital. So interest on capital is what? Expense for the partnership firm. आपको interest pay करना, expense. And to charge drawings, और drawings जब charge करोगे वो क्या होगा आपका? For the firm, interest on drawing is income. Firm के लिए income है. So इसलिए if you will see interest on drawing, I have taken this side because it is income to the firm. Next, profit for the firm for the year ended 31st March 2011 before all above adjustment was, what was the profit? 12,600. Before all the above adjustments, तो कुछ भी adjustment किया नहीं है. Drawings made by Arun 2000 and Aurora 4000. Prepare profit and loss. This is very important. The interest on capital will be allowed even if the firm incur losses. अगर loss होएगा तब भी pay करना है. Now see, 3 points are very clear in this question. Our profit is 12,600, but we have to pay interest at any cost. So profit is less, interest is more, so we made a loss. Total 4,200. But still we got 450 rupees as interest on drawings. So out of 4,200, if we'll deduct 450 rupees, balance will be 3,750. This will be the loss shared by both the partners. So we are done for today's lecture. I will send you this this PDF file just now after some time. You please solve question number, illustration number 3, this one, and send it to me today by 8:30. Okay guys, thank you. Who all are there? Sakshi, Tanaya, who all are there? Okay, ठीक है guys, done.